If you're looking to go viral on TikTok or YouTube and earn money from these platforms, you're in the right place. Stick with me until the end of this video, because today I'll reveal an incredible niche that's ripe for viral success on both TikTok and YouTube. What's great about this niche is that it's not overly competitive, as many creators are still unaware of how to tap into it. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through every step of creating engaging content in this niche, so you'll want to act quickly before it becomes saturated. Let me show you an example of a TikTok page in this niche. You've probably seen chat story videos before. Many people think they're real, but they're made-up stories. A few sub-niche ideas include creating a chat story about someone suddenly winning a lottery, and the surprising reactions of friends or family. You could also develop a story about receiving mysterious messages from a secret admirer. Another idea is telling a story about losing a valuable item and getting intriguing messages from the person who found it. Lastly, you could create stories about funny or tense situations between roommates, like disagreements or discovering hidden secrets. These are just a few ideas, but there are many more possibilities. First, we need a story. For this video, I'm going to make one about a mysterious hero. You can either come up with a story on your own, which is the best way because it feels more natural, or you can head over to ChatGPT to get ideas. To use ChatGPT, write a prompt like the one I'll include in the description and hit enter. Then, go to a successful page like the one I showed earlier and copy the transcript of 3 different chat stories. Paste them into ChatGPT, and it will generate 3 unique and attention-grabbing stories for you. You can keep regenerating responses or ask for different perspectives until you find the perfect one. For this video, I'll use one of the stories ChatGPT generates. Next, we need a background video. I recommend using gameplay footage like Minecraft, GTA, or Subway Surfer. You don't have to play these games yourself. Just go to YouTube and search for Minecraft parkour gameplay no copyright to find free-to-use background videos. Download one of the videos, and we're done with this step. Now let's create the chat. You don't need 2 phones to fake a conversation. There's an easier way. Head over to fakedetails.com. Once the page loads, hover over social media in the top right and choose WhatsApp chat from the drop-down menu. This interface lets you customize your chat template easily. You can hide the header and footer or change the background to dark mode. Choose between Android or iPhone layouts, and even adjust things like battery percentage or connection type. For this video, I've chosen the iPhone layout with a dark theme, and I'm going to use the name Williams for this example. Now start copying the chat we created earlier, message by message. For each message, select who the sender is. Keep doing this until the entire conversation is added. Once you're done, download the image of your chat. Next, we need voiceovers for the video. There are many AI text-to-speech tools available, but for this video, I'll use 11 Labs. Go to 11 Labs and choose a voice for your video. I'll use Liam's and Brian's voices to voice the chat messages. Copy each message one by one, paste it into 11 Labs, and download the audio. Save all your voiceovers in a folder for later. Before we dive deeper, make sure to subscribe to my channel if you're enjoying this so far. That way, you won't miss out on more tips and strategies like this. Finally, we need to put everything together. I'll be using CapCut, which is a free video editing app you can download on your phone or computer. Start by creating a new project in CapCut and importing your assets, the background video, chat images, and voiceovers. Click on Modify and name it. Be sure to set the aspect ratio to 9:16 so it's vertical for TikTok and YouTube Shorts. Drag the background video to the timeline and adjust its size to fill the screen. Add the chat image to the timeline. To make each message pop up one at a time, click on the mask option under the video tab. Select horizontal and add a keyframe at the beginning of the message. Place the corresponding voiceover under each message. After the audio ends, add 2 more keyframes and drag the mask to reveal the next message. The closer the keyframes are to each other, the faster the pop-up effect will be. Repeat this process for all the messages. Once you're happy with the result, export the video, and you're done.
Did you hear about the chaos downtown last night?
Nope. What happened?
Some guy got mugged, but then out of nowhere, a random person saved him.
Wait, like a vigilante?
Sorta. But no one knows who they are. They just vanished after stopping the mugger.
Sounds like a movie.
I'm serious. There's even a video going viral.
You mean this?
Yep, that's it. The hero's super quick.
So, who do you think it is?
Here's the crazy part. People think it's me.
Wait, what?
I wasn't even there, but everyone's calling me a hero now.
What if it was you?
I told you it wasn't. But maybe they're not completely wrong.
Dude, what are you saying?
Let's just say I have some secrets.
I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Now you know how to make viral chat story videos with a simple process. Subscribe to my channel for more tips like this, and I'll see you in the next video.